Greetings. This is Jenny, an artificial intelligence voice, speaking on behalf of Shiwani Traders. I have some amazing news to share with you about our company and why you should invest in our halal business now. Shiwani Traders is a company that has been delivering consistent and impressive returns to its investors for the past 37 months. In February 2023, we achieved a monthly profit of 2.35%, continuing the upward trend of the previous month. This is just one of the many milestones we have reached in our journey of growth and excellence. Here are some of the reasons why you should invest in Shiwani Traders now. We have a proven track record of outperforming the market with an average annual return of 21.93% over the past 37 months. We have a growth-oriented strategy that identifies and capitalizes on opportunities for expansion while maintaining halal business standards. We have an expert team that analyzes market trends and employs a methodical approach to business to optimize returns and minimize risk. We adhere to Islamic principles and values in our business operations, avoiding any unethical practices such as interest, manipulation, or cheating. We use a profit-sharing model that ensures fairness and transparency in our dealings with customers and stakeholders. We value honesty and integrity in our business relationships, providing excellent customer service and building long-term trust. We apologize for the delay in sharing our performance information and commit to being prompt in communication in the future. We invite you to contact us with any questions or concerns. Thank you for considering Shiwani Traders as a potential investment opportunity. We look forward to working with you and delivering strong results for your portfolio. You can trust that your values align with ours and that you are supporting a business that prioritizes honesty, fairness, and integrity. To get started, please scan the QR code from your WhatsApp and connect with us. We would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Thank you for your time and attention. We really appreciate your interest and consideration. Stay tuned for more updates. May Allah the Almighty bless every moment of your life with joy and peace.